Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm just doing lunch here, and I think I might have done a video about these before. I'm not sure, but ever since I found out that you can do these, it's so much easier. I am making tortilla pepperoni pizzas, which means you literally take a tortilla, put some pizza sauce on it, smear it all around, sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni. If you want anything else on it, like this one, I have bacon bits and some jalapeno. We're going to throw it in the oven at 400 for about 10 to 12 minutes, but keep an eye on it. And it is so good and easy and fast. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I let them go for 12 minutes. This is what they look like. Looks so good. I meant to have a plate out. Kind of scattered all over the place today. All right, I'm gonna get this one because this one's mine. Let's move this out of the way for a second. This one has pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni. I put some bacon bits and jalapeno on it, and it just looks amazing. The tortilla crisps up, so it's really nice and good and easy to eat. So you can have a decent little lunch, 12 minutes, maybe 15 because you got to put stuff on it, you know, but still it's better than paying the prices to go out to eat and you're still getting something good. Oh yeah. That's good. I hope you guys try it. I think I've done a video about this before. I'm not sure, but it's so good it must be done twice. So that brings us to the end of this video. If y'all are enjoying the channel, please give a like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.